New rule, whoever installed these 3 crack pipe vending machines on Long Island must be told, thank you for your service. Really, with everyone ODing on opiates these days, isn't it time you took a second look at crack? Hi, I'm Bill Maher for crack. How many times has this happened to you? You try heroin, but it's not cut right, so you almost die. Well, now there's a better way. Come back to crack. It's been under your nose the whole time.